Okay, today we will discuss about mathematics for grade 8, chapter sequence. Here we go. We will discuss about sequence atau pola bilangan ya in bahasa. The first one is generating sequence. For example, this is a linear sequence. Point A, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. This is a kind of linear sequence. You know that from 1 become 2, become 3, become 4, become 5. There is some rule to make this term. What is it? Okay, the point 2 is term to term rule. Term to term rule is we have to find out the operation to make this term. For example, for point A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we have rules to make this term is by add 1 point. For example, jadi kita buat aturan untuk membentuk pola bilangan yang seperti di point A. Contohnya adding by 1 point. So we have 1 plus 1 becomes 2, 2 plus 1 becomes 3, 3 plus 1 becomes 4, 4 plus 1 becomes 5. Okay, etc. And the next point is point B. We have linear sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, etc. We have to find out the term to term rule is by adding 2 points. Okay, for example, we start from the first term. 2 add by 2 becomes 4. 4 add by 2 becomes 6. 6 add by 2 becomes 8. 8 add by 2 becomes 10, and so on. Okay, the next part is point C. We have sequence 13, 10, 7, and 4. Term to term rule is from this sequence. What is it? Can you find out? Okay, good. By subtract with 3. So we must subtract 13 by 3. 13 minus 3 becomes 10. 10 minus 3 becomes 7. 7 minus 3 becomes 4, and so on. That's it. Very simple. Is that right? Okay, the next part is how to find rules for the second one is about finding rules for sequence. For example, the first row we have terms 5, 9, 13, and 17. And the second row we must find out about the position of each number in this term. For example, 5 in first position, 9 the second position, 13 the third position, 17 and the fourth position. Jadi kita di baris pertama kita punya deret ini, pola bilangan ini. Nah, selanjutnya kita menentukan posisi dari setiap bilangan. Yang pertama misalnya 5, ini posisinya di suku pertama. 9 ini di suku kedua atau menempati posisi kedua. 13 ini menempati posisi ketiga dari deret ini maksudnya ya. Jadi 5 deret pertama, 9 di deret kedua, 13 ini di urutan ketiga, 17 ini posisinya di urutan keempat. And then we have rules of this term multiplies of 4. Jadi maksudnya adalah dari posisi ini supaya mendekati setiap bilangan di terms ini kita kalikan dengan 4. Nah, for example, 1 multiplies with 4 becomes 4. Then 2 multiplies by 4 becomes 8. 3 multiplies by 4 becomes 12. 4 multiplies by 4 becomes 16. So we have 4, 8, 12, and 16. And then the last one is position to term rule is term 4 times positions plus something. Your task is to find out about this box. Jadi maksudnya adalah tugas terakhir ya, di row terakhir, baris terakhir itu adalah kalian menentukan term rules about from position. Jadi term rulesnya dari posisi. Contohnya ini, termnya ini kita punya ini itu adalah sama dengan 4 dikali dengan posisinya lalu ditambah dengan berapa, itu kekurangannya. Contohnya ini ya, terms itu 5 itu adalah sama dengan 4 dikali posisi 5 itu kan pertama, jadi 4 kali 1 ditambah dengan berapa supaya sama dengan 5, ditambah dengan 1. Kita cocokkan lagi, contohnya misalnya 9, termnya kita punya 9 ya, 9 di sini. Jadi pertama misalnya 5 itu sama dengan 4 times posisinya dari 5 itu adalah 1, sama dengan 4 kali 1 4 plus berapa supaya sama dengan 5, plus 1. Next, 9 equals 4 times positionnya of 9 is 2. 2 plus what? 2 becomes 9. 4 times 2 equals 8 plus 1. We have the same rules for this book. That's it. Very simple. Oke, jika kalian menyukai video ini, silahkan klik tombol like, subscribe, dan share supaya teman-teman kalian yang lainnya bisa belajar juga dari